Welcome to LeakingRoof.ae, where we protect your business with expert roof repair and waterproofing solutions. Today, we are in the heart of Dubai's industrial area, showcasing one of our successful projects.
Dear customers, this is an industrial building. This is a chocolate factory in Dubai Investment Park, where you see a lot of offices, and a big part of PB technical work is, so essentially, when you have a wall, parapet wall, attached with the slab of the roof, there are joints, and those joints are cracking and they are leaking. So we fix it with rubber flashing, with EPDM flashing, with bonding agents. This is again a joint of the metal roof with the concrete structure. We have nicely done this rubber flashing now against the leakages. So on an average, we have done maybe 4 or 5 million square feet of these metal roofs all around UAE. And as you can see, this metal roof has a curve. It is coming in touch with the roof profile sheet. And again, we have put a rubber here so water will not leak. This is UV resistant rubber, and there is no better solution than UV resistant rubbers, which is EPDM. So we do it wonderfully in a very efficient manner, in a very economic manner. We give you a water test and a 5 years warranty all over the Arabian Peninsula. And this is by far the oldest industrial roofing company with a track record of having worked with most of the major brands of industrial companies. Even this neighbor company, Gulf Processing, also done by us. You see all the solar panels on it. This has also been done with us. We have lots and loads of references in DIP and the nearby Jebel Ali. So this company is the obvious choice for most of the customers. You can see here on this industrial roof, again, this roof panel is 8-9 meter. And again, we have sealed the roof here, as well as we do the screws. As you can see, we do the screws as well, completely. So we do roughly 1,000 square meters per day, minimum, by one crew. So on an average, we run 10 sites per day. 5,000 square meters, which we have covered, sealed in within a month. As you can see, we have sealed the longitudinal joints of the panels, and we have done the screws, provide a warranty, and we got this work with good reference because we did the adjacent factory, the neighboring factory, for making the catch-up. So most of the work we are getting because of good reference. This is DIP. More than 75% of the market share is with us. This is the oldest industrial roofing company and re-roofing company. This is a valley gutter between a roof and the wall, parapet wall. So very important that the leakage should not occur because it will go inside the building. So we have lined it properly with the EPDM rubber from the roof up to the parapet wall, lined it properly. This is an excellent solution against leakages. So here we are. This is also a nearby place from Batil in DIP1, Deco Emirates. Here we are changing the purlins also, and we have done the waterproofing. A lot of jobs we have done, maybe 7, 8. It's also a big building, more than 5,000 square meter Deco Emirates. This is a well-known company. We were chosen among others because of our established history of being the oldest company, me having 30 years experience. The company is more than 10 years old, and we successfully defended a lot of warranties. The main thing is any client who spends any money, it's a capital investment, then he wants to work with companies who have established record of completing many warranties. Now we are going to our next project nearby, which is Life Pharmacy. They have stocked more than $100 million worth of stock, and we were chosen among others. Okay, so this is the Life Pharmacy's central warehouse, which we have done. This has over 8,300 square meter, and it has more than $100 million worth of medicines. So this is the central warehouse stocking medicine for 450 plus pharmacies for Life Pharmacy. And PB International was choosing among all the contenders for the roof repair. Please remember, it houses more than $100 million worth of inventory, and we were chosen based on our established track record and knowledge of the metal roof.
Protect your property with Dubai's trusted roof repair experts, LeakingRoof.ae. Contact us today at Plaza 971, 5th Drive, 772-3750 or visit LeakingRoof.ae. Your roof, our responsibility.